could take a quick ride here because they replaced one of these at the Kela building, FAI in Turku, Finland, today on the 22nd of September 2023. And we have filmed, of course, the original. This is the left one, it is still original. I will do a retake on it as well. Because even if it's said that it won't be replaced for now, but you still never know.
Yeah.
Because they replaced this one with 5 floors.
Yeah.
A little boring.
Yeah.
In 2022 and before, but I think the basement floor was locked, always locked off.
Yes.
This number is 44974598, built in late 1970, finished in 1971, quite about fixtures originally and the fabricators and all the doors, like the left one.
It says 2022, but it was they actually started modernizing it early this year, 2023.
Yeah. It was just ordered last year.
Yeah.
Best is 10 pieces of 8 track rooms and no door button. And for some reason the door was open at the moment. It's right by the old tramline tree, which was unfortunately destroyed in 1972.
And this also represents like modernist thinking of a city, but
It's nothing more than
no.
Yeah.
it is dated.
But it is sure a time capsule to the 1960s, late 60s or 70s.
Okay.
Building is.
Yeah.
Building is.
That's it.